Welcome to another episode of Nature's Secrets.
Hopefully, it's a dirty secret in nature, because we know nature is dirty.
Watch what happens when I blow on it.
Okay. Okay, alright. So, there's a mushroom. Okay. Got it. And if you blow on the mushroom, the white stuff will come out. Yeah, this is not a secret. I think we all know this. It's how we all got here. Y'all be good.